In 2025, it is really famous that AI will be replacing the architects. In this video, we will be trying 5 new AI tools that has just been released in 2025 to see if the AI will truly replace the architects or not. We will test these tools and see if they are really worth it, or if the saying that AI will replace architects is really true or not. So without wasting further time, let's dive right into the AI tools and test them. Let's get started with the AI tools. Our first AI tool is going to be LookX AI Cloud. We'll be going to LookX AI main channel. Over here, we get a lot of information about this, what this AI does, and how you can use. So maybe give it all a read. What matters are these points. So it says generate images or videos, train models, other advanced tools. These are the X credits. Coming to the left side of the screen, now these are general models, whereas here are the image tools. And with the images that you have created inside the LookX tool, you can actually convert them to video tools as well. Let's go with the image rendering and let's see if this is the interface. Now let's study this interface. We have two screens over here. The first screen is for base image. It is going to be the image of your 3D model which you want to render, and the second window is going to be the style image, for the reference image that you want your rendered image to look like. It has a Gen 3.5 model, latest model. Now we will choose refine model because it's a SketchUp model. We have added every details and everything. Base image similarity should be at 0.9 or 0.95 because if you lower this, it keeps changing the physicality of your model. It brings new ideas and it changes the shape. So similarity style should be kept low, not too high, not too low, just in the middle. You can try different options with these. We'll just generate four different images for ourselves to without wasting time. We can analyze all the images at the same time, how it gives a result. So over here, let's try and write a prompt. Here's the prompt that I've just written. Let's see what kind of result it gives. Now these are the results that it gave me. I think it's quite similar to the prompt that we have written, except for the the direct sunlight on the building. It kind of ignored that part, but the material part it took very strong, and the street part it also ignored that part. But on the lush greenery in the background and the sunlight in this image, it did consider them. But I think our prompt was a little weak. What we need to do is work on our prompt, and I think this AI has some potential to give you the best results. You can try it out yourself by writing the perfect prompt for this AI. Or if you want to learn prompt writing, subscribe to my channel, like this video, hit the bell icon so that you do not miss out any videos on the prompt engineering. RoomGPT, as by the name, it is clear that it's for the interior rendering. RoomGPT. Here's the first link. Now this is the first interface. You can read all these. You can give it a test, give it a read, see how it's going. So let's go to redesign. Now upload an image, or let's upload an image. This is the image. Okay, so it's uploading. Select room type. Room type is living room. Best quality. This is new. Okay, it's gonna get E2 credits, same as we have only 1 credit. So let's go with the 1 credit. Anyways, we need modern, vintage, new classical. Let's go with the new classical. Render designs. Now in this AI model, you don't need to write any prompt, or you don't need to learn that prompt engineering aspect as compared to other AIs. This one gives the direct result. So now let's see. Let's compare. Here is the comparison of AI renders versus the existing image. I think it's quite fascinating. It gives us a little like kind of a blurry image with very low resolution, but it did not change any physical aspect, any design ratio, anything at all. It did fantastic job. It also added the rope lights, the lightning effect. So you can go ahead and give it a try. Now I have 0 credits, but let me just show you a trick. What you can do is you can sign out of this account, create another, generate a trial Gmail account and sign in with that, and re-render your images. You can have unlimited images if you follow these, the generated email steps. Anyways, let's go on with the next AI. The next we have is the Google AI. In Google AI we have the Nano Banana. You guys already would have heard about it. Nano Banana is on trending in 2025. This is the AI that has high volume of searches. So we will be trying Nano Banana, but for Nano Banana we first would have to upload our image. So upload file. Now in our desktop we have this image, and now start typing a prompt. Now Nano Banana is very detailed, it has very keen eye for its details. So for prompt, let's head to ChatGPT and ask for it to prompt. Here is the prompt. Okay, I think it's finished. Let's copy this prompt, paste it over here and click run. Now this Nano Banana Google AI, it sometimes it has issues. Sometimes it completes its loading but it does not show its images, so you have to close the tab and retry the render again. Let's see the image. Okay, so I think what it did is, yes, it did few elements around it, few realism, but it did not convert my existing SketchUp model into realism. The material is not realistic itself. I think we have a little issue with the prompt over here as well, but it might give realistic results in the architecture field. I think this is a go-to rendering software. I've also rendered few of my professional projects through Nano Banana, and it's just amazing. Now subscribe my channel and comment on this video if you want the prompt that I use specifically for the Nano Banana, the techniques, the formula, and it includes every aspect. You just have to change your settings inside of the prompt and it will give you a more realistic result than this one. It's just for trial purposes. Obviously it's going to be like this, but for prompt engineering you guys do really need that. Trust me, you guys do really need that. Okay, so Google Gemini is our fourth AI. Let's just add our image, upload files. This is our view 2. Okay, so let's paste the prompt. Here is the exact same prompt that we used in the Nano Banana as well. So let's enter. Now Gemini and Nano Banana are on parallel level. They gave somewhat same results, but sometimes the Nano Banana is ahead with the results and sometimes the Gemini is ahead. Now they use same prompt engineering, so you don't have to worry about the prompt. You can use same prompt in both AIs. You see, this AI also gave me the same result as the Nano Banana, but with a little bit difference in the background and with the realism. It did not convert my existing SketchUp model to very realistic materials, but it tried adding the sky and the the car, the bushes, a little bit few details. So I think as compared to Gemini, the Google AI Studio with Nano Banana gets more point over here. Here is the last AI that I am showing. It's Rerender AI. In the Google search, Rerender AI. This is the link. This is the sponsored link. You don't have to click this one. Just click this one. This is the web page that it will be taking you. This is the results that the public, the community has been rendering their images, their architectural styles over in this. It's almost always used for the architectural terms. So over here, now this AI has exceptional quality. The problem with this AI is you get 3 minutes, 3 credits. It means you can render 3 images every day, every single day. So it's a little downside, but you can always purchase credits and if you have many projects, many renders you need, so you can always, but this AI has the perfect quality. And you don't need any prompt engineering, any detailed prompt engineering for this one as well. So you just have to specify the settings. So these are the AI that the world has been praising in 2025. If you guys have learned something, subscribe our channel, hit like, and leave a comment which AI software will you be using next. Now, from these tools, we have summarized that AI will not be replacing any architects, but architects using AI will replace architects in the coming future, in the near future, let's say in very near future. So for this is for architects. Do not forget to use AI. Do not forget to include AI in your office, in your design tools.